Hey everyone, today we are going to discover how we convert sketches to images by Styler AI, just like these. For this, go for Styler AI. If you have an account, this interface will appear, otherwise you have to first sign up. We already completed 2D to 3D and logo effect in last tutorials. Now we are going to discover about sketch rendering. Here is the sketch. You can upload this of your choice. By auto prompt feature, it will generate prompt automatic. Click on generate button. Here I use Modern Glamorous, which is made specific for this sketching purpose. These are the results. These are amazing. Double click to place image on the canvas. This is how we can make images from sketches in just few minutes. For the removal of watermark, you just have to go to my video description, in which I already teach how we can remove watermarks for free. That's all for today. If you have any query related to your transformation of sketches, feel free to comment below. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.